Want to set up your Amazon Alexa device but don't have an account? No worries. By creating an account, you can effectively use your Amazon Alexa device. In this video, I'll show you how to create an Amazon Alexa account from your phone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. If you already shop on Amazon, have Prime membership, or use other Amazon services, you already have an Amazon account. You'll use these credentials to set up your Alexa device, but you don't have an Amazon account. You'll need to create one. First, install the Amazon Alexa app on your iPhone. On your phone, if you don't have an account, there will be an option to create a new one. Select Create Account. Enter your first and last name, your email, and a unique password. Then you need to add your phone number, or you can avoid it. You'll likely need to verify your email address or phone number, and your Amazon account has been created. After that, plug your Alexa device and complete the setup. So folks, this is how you can create an Amazon Alexa account from your phone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.